What made me say yes to Guelph was that tight-knit community that's part of the physics department. I think that the main benefit of having a small, close-knit community is that you really get to know not only your classmates, but your profs. And this gives lots of opportunities to find placements that you can work in their lab and see what kind of research is going on within your own department, which is really cool. I've done 2 co-op terms so far, and my favorite one was definitely working in the physics department with Professor John Dutcher. We looked at hydration properties of a nanoparticle called phytoglycogen through infrared spectroscopy and ellipsometry. I'm the VP internal of the Physics and Astronomy Club, and so this is a great opportunity for students to either just join and come to some of our events. We have lots of stargazing events or mentorship programs, or if you're interested in more of a leadership role, you can be an executive